Today I want to show you guys the TF11. We're going to show a basic function, and then we're going to shoot some stuff with it. Today I also want to show you loading and safety. Remember, always wear goggles when using this. This marker comes in clear and black. Shoots Airsoft BBs, .12s, .20s. I'm going to put some .20s in it today. First, on the switch, I'm going to show you that it's full auto, semi-auto, fire, and safe. It actually comes with a loader. Speed loader puts on top, mounts on top of the clip. I'm going to use a generic speed loader to load them in. Comes with a straw. Loads the clip in. Now this clip will actually hold 50 shots. If you're shooting on full auto, you're going to get a full 50 shots, about 50 rounds in 2.5 seconds at 350 feet per second. To load the CO2, bottom unscrews, put a fresh CO2 in here. It's ready to go. It'll seal. No air or anything will come out until it's actually put in the TF11, Tactical Force 11 by Umarex USA. Put it on fire. Switched on semi. I'm going to show you. That good? Now on full auto. Anytime ready. Cans, styrofoam cups, animal crackers.